Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Namecheap hosting. Begin by purchasing a hosting plan that suits your needs. If you haven't already registered a domain, you can do so and during the process or transfer an existing one. Once your hosting is set up, you can easily configure your website using one-click installation options for platforms like WordPress or by uploading your website files directly. Namecheap's intuitive dashboard allows you to manage your website efficiently, including tasks like setting up email accounts, installing SSL certificates for security, and accessing website analytics. Regular maintenance, such as updating your content management system and backing up your website, helps ensure its security and stability. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, Namecheap's 24/7 support team is available to help via live chat, email, or phone. In addition to website management, Namecheap Hosting offers various tools and features to enhance your online presence, such as website builders, e-commerce solutions, and marketing tools. Utilizing these resources can help you optimize your website for better performance and visibility. Furthermore, Namecheap provides reliable and secure hosting infrastructure, ensuring that your website remains accessible to visitors at all times. Regularly monitoring your website's performance and security through Namecheap's dashboard allows you to identify and address any issues promptly. By taking advantage of Namecheap's hosting features and support, you can create and maintain a professional and successful online presence for your business or personal brand. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.